So the other day, my mother-in-law was at the store. We go do a little grocery shopping, right? And we decided so we're gonna do some meal planning for the week. So right here, so you see me put on some pork for go and stew, right? Also have some salmon I go up on the grill here, some chicken wing. Also have some flank steak, right? Yes, we're getting ready for make a multitude of dishes, right? So as you see, we just added some coconut milk and onion and thyme and these nice things to the pork, make it go and stew, and keeping a careful eye on the salmon here because I never want it to dry out, right? Yes, man, these flank steak here, them take a little longer to cook, but man, once them get done, man, them very tender and well seasoned. So anyways, I was making some greens here too, and I added some red onions. As you see, with some green beans, a little butter, alright, little seasoning, and we're gonna foil paper this up, alright. We're gonna go ahead and throw that right on the grill. And as you see right here, these steak are looking amazing, man. And the wings them was perfectly done as usual, right? And yeah, that salmon look like that was nicely grilled and ready too. Now these things can be paired with salads. You can eat them with rice, whatever. We're just gonna make a bunch of things. You can even eat it with bread, right? So anyways, as you see, the pork look nice and tender, so it's just natural to throw a can of butter bean in there, and along with a little bit of tomato sauce that I like, right? And yeah, that came out absolutely amazing. Veggies was looking amazing, right? So naturally I had to fix up my mother-in-law's plate, right? Yes, man. So I gave her some of the food here and a little bit of everything that was made. Because she had a couple dishes in mind and she had all she needed was a protein, right? Yes, man. So yeah, let me know if you guys meal plan or what you think about it. All right. Yeah, man. And enjoy the rest of the video. Later.